Okay, we're going to go ahead and try some plasma cutting. I'm going to turn on the SD-4050 Pro. It comes on to cut, but if it was not on cut, we would just simply cycle through these settings here. And we're going to go right to cut. I'm going to attempt to cut about an 1/8 inch piece of scrap here. So we're going to turn this down to maybe 25 amps and see how it does. Of course, you need your air supply connected to your regulator. I'm going to try around 40 psi, which is on this gauge here, I think about 0.3 kilogram scale. Before we get started here, we need to make sure our air is hooked up. We need to change our ground cable position from welding to cut. And we need to ground our workpiece. Alright, my first time plasma cutting. I had to play around with settings a little bit, do some research to figure out the settings. What I landed on is about 30 psi of air. Any more than that and you wear out consumables. I almost ruined some consumables here just testing it out and was not able to make a cut. So for 1/8 inch plate here, I'm using 30 psi of air and 25 amps setting on the plasma cutter. I've already cut a little bit into this plate here, but I thought I would let you guys watch me finish the cut here. So make sure your air pressure is set properly for the material you're cutting, and make sure that your amperage is also set properly for the material you're cutting. Okay, here is the workpiece. Probably not the best plasma cutting, but like I said, it's my first time. I've never used one before, so I'd imagine that'll probably get better as my technique improves. I'll do a little bit more research on that. I just wanted to see if it did in fact work.